Hi guys, welcome to Fab and Funky. So today I'm going to show you how you can make this beautiful showpiece. You can use it as accessory holder like a ring or bangles. I have made this from homemade air dry clay that I have already shared with you guys how I made that homemade air dry clay. I will link it below. Now let's start with the video. So here I have taken some clay and rolled it. Now take a papaya leaf, put that rolled clay on it and cut out accordingly. I'm going to give it a leaf shape. Cut out the extra part. Now put it on a bowl and let it dry for 6 to 10 hours. Then start making second part of the piece. So that take some clay and give it a shape like this, and with the help of a safety pin mark it all over the piece. So here our first part is dried and I have painted it with white acrylic color. So second part is also dried. I have already inserted these two sticks in it like this when that clay was wet. Now take some more clay for making its tail. Cut out like this and give it a shape. So it will look like this now. Let it dry for 24 hours. After 24 hours, it's time to color it. So here I am taking some pearl blue acrylic color and now coloring it. Here I am using golden color to coloring its edges. So here my first part is ready. You can also use it as a decor piece. Now start with the second part. I am using black acrylic color. Now taking some pearl blue color and coloring it over that black color. with dry brush using some golden color and roughly coloring it to give it a finished look or shinier look. Now with the help of a glue gun or any glue, attach these both the parts. So here our piece is ready. Not yet. Wait. Now take some clay, roll it like this and cover that joint part like shown in the video. Now color it. So here our mermaid showpiece is ready. So if you find this video useful, then please hit the like button, comment down below, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then please do subscribe it. And please hit the bell icon so that whenever I'll upload any video, it will notify you. Now bye bye, see you in the next video.